I first came across Redbubble when I was living in Melbourne. That's where their head office is. I was actually recruiting for an IT company that specialized in um, Ruby on Rails, which is anyway, long story. But short story was they're an agency that provides a marketplace or a platform for artists digitally, so anywhere in the world, to publish their art on their site, and people who go to their site to they're looking for things like stickers, clothing with things printed on it, mugs, all sorts of things, iPhone cases, baby wear. You go and check it out. They've got a list of pretty much anything you can print on. They give you the option, but then they give you the option of independent artists' art from all over the world, where you can choose to have that printed onto whatever you decide. And every time you purchase something, the independent artist, gets a commission or a royalty, so to speak, for the art that you're using. So there's two interesting aspects of that site. One is you can get some really cool stuff, amazing artists from all over the world, and you can get that printed on just about anything. So a great place to get gifts. But two, it's a place where artists, people who aren't necessarily always known for being the best at technology, are able to make an income off doing something that they love. And that is completely what my whole concept is with the project Geographical Freedom. So, there's an idea for you. If you're an artist, check out Redbubble. You can submit whatever art you've got, and you can start actually making a side income. The original piece, if it becomes super popular, could become very valuable that way as well. But that way you're getting your art out there for other people to enjoy and actually making money off it at the same time. So again, if that's that whole concept of making money from something that you love, especially if it's digital, which enables you to have the geographical freedom that I always talk about, then subscribe to the channel, and feel free to check out what information I've got already up on my personal website, which is geographical-freedom.com. But anyway, I hope you're having an amazing day. Coming to you live from beautiful Panama, Bocas del Toro. Peace.